Good day, everyone. In this video, you're going to learn how to conduct a literature review, an efficient literature review with the aid of artificial intelligence. One of the most neglected freelancing job is academic research writing. And the most important component of academic research writing is literature review. So your ability to conduct an efficient and proficient literature review tells much about you, or tells much about how you'll be able to handle a complete academic research writing. An efficient literature review give birth to other components of academic research writing. From the review, you get your problem statement, you get the aim and objectives of the research, you get the implementation of the research, and you get your result. So it is an eye-opener to any research. If you want to go into academic research writing, the first thing that you should know how to do efficiently is literature review. So first and foremost, we have the components of literature review, and the first in the list is brief introduction of the research paper. Brief introduction of the research paper. You need to introduce the topic of the research, what is it all about. And secondly, the problem addressed by the research paper. So you look into the problem addressed by the research paper and state it as part of your literature review. The third one is you need to also state the methodology adopted by the research team. So look into the paper and you write down the methodology adopted by the research team, and you state the results obtained at the end of the research, and finally the research limitations. Over the years, all these components are done manually. You download the paper, the research paper, through the research paper. You read through the research paper, and you extract all these informations and then put it in a paragraph. Yeah. So this is hectic, laborious, and time consuming. In order to solve this problem, there are a lot of artificial intelligence research assistants that have been created to help us, assist us to conduct an efficient literature review. So one of it that we are going to explore in this video is research sorry, is sitespace.com. So what is required of you in this video? It is to sign up. I've already signed up, so I'm going to sign in. So I've signed in, and the next thing is to enter your topic. For example, um, let me enter this topic. This topic is a non-invasive smart remote health monitoring for diabetics. So now it will give us a series of papers or series of research articles on this topic. So now you look through it and look at the one that is very related to the topic. So now, for example, let's click this. So you have option of downloading this paper, and we are only going to download the paper because AI is going to do everything for us. So first and foremost, you look at it, the paper, and we have different options. One of the options is we can ask the AI to conduct a review for us of this paper. So you can see different options we have, which are in form of questions, explain abstract of this paper in 2 lines, what are the contribution of this paper, and to the last one, which is the results of the paper. So we can now, since we said the component of the literature review start from what? Introducing the topic. So now we start with summarize the introduction of the paper. So it summarizes the introduction of this paper. So you copy, open a Word document, you paste it. Let me save this. Now, secondly, we look at we go back to it. We also extract the literature survey of this paper. You copy, go back to it, paste it. Thirdly, we look at we extract the methods used. So you copy it too, you paste it. Thirdly, the fourth one is we go to the result of the paper, extract the result of the paper. So you copy to, and the last one is a limitation. So if any of the questions is not found, so you can type it limitation and to bring it up. So you copy to, and you have everything here. So now this is where you have to bring in your little expertise. So now we delete this. We delete this. We want everything to be in the paragraph. Now we, from the beginning of this video, I said it consists of first and foremost the introduction, which is this first one. Second one is limitation of the previous method. So you can see it does discuss the limitation of the rational health monitoring system. So you can change it to see to check the plagiarism. So you open it and it is 22%, which is very high. This is just so what you do is we copy this. So you go to another tool called a paraphrasing tool called Quillbot. We go to Quillbot, paste it, to paraphrase it for us to remove any form of plagiarism. Copy. Let's go back and see. So delete, paste it. So let's go back to our Grammarly and see. So you can see it is plagiarism free. It's not more 20%, it is zero. So now you go back to size space and you choose the second one. Choose the second one. You do the same thing. Click literature review. So let's copy this one. In order to have an efficient literature review, where we are going to use Grammarly to correct the sentences. So finally, we have this, and you have a very efficient um, reviews of related works. Now, we now show you how do you make money. First and foremost, you go to Upwork and sign up. Upwork is a platform where you find cities of jobs. So when you see a job that's related to your area of expertise, you submit your resume and also a cover letter. You apply for the job. If you are found eligible and qualified, you will be given the task. You create an account with Upwork. I already have an account, and this is my Upwork account. And so what you do is you go to this place, you search for job. So you now type Victor review, to bring up um series of jobs. You start writing jobs. So now look at the one that's related to area of expertise, which is a literature review. You can see this one, for example, literature review writing in industrial engineering. You click it and you apply. So by submitting your resume, and also you this is Saudi Arabia, this job in Saudi Arabia, and it is $50. So you apply, you submit your resume and a cover letter. So if you don't know how to write a resume or cover letter, you can use also artificial intelligence. So we are going to use a BAD by Google. I have two prompts that you can use to request for artificial intelligence to write you a cover letter. Let's put this, and you have this. You copy it and paste it, copy it, and Right, so you now edit dear CAO. If you're writing to the CAO, you edit it and proceed the application. You can also, for your CV, you can also come to this place and start the same prompt. But in this case, you change this cover letter to resume. Let's go. So you have this. So you can also copy it and put it in format.